in the business world as an entrepreneur, if you can make money in a much quicker time, why not?
All right, guys. So I think we're ready to start. It's already 7:10 in the evening. All right, you guys ready to go? Can you type yes in the chat if you guys are ready? Type yes. Type yes in the chat. Okay, ready. All right, cool. Okay, so okay, cool, sweet. And this one will be here. All right, guys. So hopefully everyone is getting all the information in real time. Just want to do a quick test so it's not lagging. All right, cool. So guys, welcome everyone to the Spartan Business Mastermind. This presentation is all about redefining the system through world-class education and to uplift the lives, and open doors for all Filipinos in terms of unlimited opportunities. All right, cool. I'm currently in Bacolod, by the way, doing a face-to-face business meetings. Part of the reason why I'm not in my place at the moment, and you see a different background because I'm on a business travel. But anyways, moving forward, just wanna set the right expectation here. Boom. So the presentation usually lasts for 60 to 90 minutes. I do promise that I will do my very best to make it just under an hour. 30 minutes for a Q&A. And please note that I will not entertain any questions whatsoever during the presentation to ensure that we use our time efficiently. If you are in a hurry and or want to get straight to the earning potential, then this webinar might not be a good fit for you at the moment, since I'm going to be discussing the whole spectrum of this opportunity, the goal, the mission and the vision, everything, from start to finish, the grand master plan and everything, why we're going to be around the block for at least 5 years or more moving forward. So if you are, on a rush, nagmamadali, feel free to check our YouTube channel, Valtoro Spartan Trading, wherein specific topics are already uploaded there, tackled in chunkable and digestible videos. So we're not the typical investment platform that people know. As a matter of fact, we are an educational platform. It just so happens that we offer a diverse, wide range of opportunities that will, uplift the lives of Filipinos through world-class educations, skills development, promotes financial stability, and most especially uplift the quality of life of every Filipino. I'm not the most entertaining guy, but what I can promise you is I'm not gonna waste your time. That's a fact. Okay. I'm a huge fan of cutting the fluff and the BS, but I also respect details and context so that after the presentation, everything will make sense for you in this opportunity. Is that clear so far, guys? Can you type clear if that is clear? Okay, clear. Okay, thank you, Jevet Lozano. How about the others? Okay, okay. I'm seeing. Okay, cool. Julie, thank you. All right, cool. All right, cool. So let's just start real quick here. Who am I and why is that important? So, papasadahan ko lang real quick about my credentials. So this is my social media accounts, by the way, guys. Feel free to fact check me, do your due diligence. I'm the proud CEO, owner of two companies, Spartan Setters Academy, Philippines #1 Setters Academy in the Philippines, arguably, and Valtor Spartan Trading, Philippines #1 MEVBot platform. We outsmart with precision. Okay, so do your due diligence, screenshot, whatever that works for you. Now, quick background story about me. 5 years ago, I was a borderline homeless, dead, broken, heartbroken college dropout. This was my former life before. I'm a humble driver, personal company driver, personal and then a company driver. I was a applicant in a BPO company called Concentrix. So if you were to zoom this one, you will see this says Concentrix. Okay, that was me. Construction worker, frustrated entrepreneur, brick and mortar business owner. So as you can see, let me just click the next slide. All right, cool. So as you can see there, I was a frustrated entrepreneur, negotiante wannabe. Started my own, what do you call this, printing business. I built this printing machine with my very own hands, even though I was not a carpenter, but as per Sir Chikitan, sabi pa, pag gusto may paraan, pag ayaw, hindi na uubusan ng dahilan. Gusto kong maging negosyante. Negosyante wanna be part of the reason why I was able to create such a magnificent machine through YouTube and just Google, right? Now, moving forward, COVID hit, and as we all know, we lost our job. Lost my love life because I have no money, so she left me. Lost my best friend. Lost pretty much everything. Okay. However, it was actually a blessing in disguise because, but before that, supplemental info in crypto that you need to know. There's 5 ways to earn in crypto. Number 1 as a trader. Number 2, P2P, which is peer-to-peer. Number 3 is crypto mining. And number 4 is mentorship courses. You sell courses, you try to tell people that you're good in trading and then ask $500,000 to teach them, promising them the world and being successful in trading. But in reality, it's really difficult to become successful in trading. Would you guys agree? Let me know in the chat. Would you guys agree it's really difficult to become a millionaire consistently in trading? Let me know in the chat. Let me know. Sa mga traders yan, correct. Yes, of course. Marami na po akong naging kaibigan na nag-hit ng million ngayon, naghihirap na naman. However, guys, there's the 5th one in earning good money in crypto, which is the Spartan way, our way, the game changer way, the player way, Ladies and gentlemen, I'm proud to present you the Philippines' #1 MEVBot platform. We outsmart the market with precision. So just a quick explanation about the company's meaning. VAL stands for Vault, security. Toro stands for bullish trend. Spartan stands for the MEVBot, which is the system that we have. And then trading, but Toro Spartan trading is the platform that we use to take profit. Now, just to give you a little bit of an overview of what MEVBot looks like, MEVBot is commonly known as Maximum Extractable Value Bot. It's an automated system designed to extract value with utmost precision in real time, operating in milliseconds from blockchain transactions by strategically ordering, inserting, or reordering trades, especially on Ethereum-based decentralized exchange. So moving forward, all right. So guys, just to give you a quick overview, MEVBot attacks has 5 forms. Number 1 is arbitrage, front running, back running, sandwich attacks, liquidation. Okay. So our MEVBot specializes in sandwich attacks. Why? Because it's the most profitable one. Okay. Through Toro Spartan trading, you can leverage the power of the MEVBot. Okay. The MEVBot has been existing for the past 3 years. It has proven and tested, has track record already. So Valtoro Spartan Trading has just been recently launched a month ago. Through Valtoro Spartan Trading, you can now use the power of MEVBot and earn in these 3 ways to earn in Valtoro, which is the first one, the lock-in subscription, the referral bonus, multi-level earnings. Guys, are you with me so far? Okay, guys. So this is where I want to highlight everything the most. We are not an investment platform. I just want to be clear with that one. We are an educational platform. It just so happens that we open the doors of an unlimited opportunity through the power of AI and the power of technology. Sharing is caring. Why is that? Because here's the thing. Under lock-in subscription, the minimum investment that you need, the minimum funds that you need to put in to leverage the power of MEVBot is only 2,500 peso or $50. However, in that 2,500 peso, one entry, it will automatically gives you an enrollment access to our Spartan Setters Academy. This one. This is not cheap, by the way, guys. Originally, I'm selling this course for around 12,500, including the live training program. Okay, so you will literally get an access to that. And then I want to highlight the access time frame in the academy varies to the plan you've subscribed in the lock-in subscription. We have a 1-account policy, but you can definitely subscribe to multiple plans because in lock-in subscription, there is 5 plans that you can choose from. You are not limited to only one plan, but it's only 1-account policy. but you can, put down to multiple plans. When you put at least 2,500 in any plan, you'll get a free ticket to our upcoming event this September 15, by the way, and you may bring 2 non-Valtoro members as well. Okay? By the way, guys, I just want to highlight that my Spartan Setters Academy course is not a cheap course. It can literally help you earn $1,000, $2,000, even $5,000, even $10,000 per month, being a setter, a closer, or a VA, whatever that looks like. Okay, it really depends on the client that you will, you will work with. Okay, so basically, in your 2,500, you get already an access to my academy. Part of the reason why, like I said, we are gonna redefine the education system through the fusion of my 2 companies, which is the Spartan Setters Academy and Valtoro Spartan Trading. Okay, so there you go. You will have access to this one. It has proven to help tons of Filipinos change their life for the better. And then also you get a free access to our upcoming grand launching this September 15 in Cubao, Quezon City. Okay? So this is the plan A, the first plan. So in your 2,500, 15 days, if you choose 15 days in our app, which is like a combination of a BPI app and then GCash, you will have you will put down $50 or 2,500 peso. And then the MebBot will give you 0.5% daily profit, total of 7.5% profit after the lock-in subscription expires. Also, you will have 50-day access inside Spartan Setters Academy portal. Okay? I will teach you sales. I will teach you how to have a job in the online space for the next 15 days. If you choose 15 days. Does that make sense so far? Yes? Right? Okay? So that's that. Okay, cool. So there you go. So this is the investment amount. So let's say $50 you invested in the next 15 days, you get 3.75 USD profit or 206 peso. And the good thing about this is after 15 days, I return your money together with your profit. And you already got a training platform from me. Because I want to position Filipinos to have the best opportunity out there. Before, I was just accepting enrollment fee from my students. I train them and then I do my best to get them, to help them land a job. But in this opportunity, the same thing happens. People pay me to train them in sales, but what I do is I took their money, return it to them, and then put in Valtoro so that when they are learning from me in sales to get a job, their money or their funds or their investment is growing and then they can still earn it. They can take profit from it. Their money is already working for them. Their money is making money for them while learning how to make money in the world of freelancing. Does that make sense so far, guys? That's how I love the Filipinos. Does that make sense so far? Sa Tagalog pa, nag-enroll ka sa academy ko, binigay mo yung 2.5 mo, ang ginawa ko, sinuli ko yung 2.5 mo, nilagay ko sa Valtoro para kumita ka pa, maturuan pa kita paano kumita ng pera sa mundo ng freelancing. Makatrabaho ang mga Amerikano, Australiano, at mga Ukrainian, European, whatever, as long as it's a business owner in the online space. Does that make sense? So that's pretty much what I did. But people call me so many names. I don't care because, people hurt people. There's always naysayers out there. I don't need to explain myself. I just really want to help people because when you help people, you are helping yourself as well. That's how you stay successful whenever you are helping people become successful as well. And I have data, testimonials to back that up. I'm not trying to just carry my own chair at nagyayabang dito. Okay? Does that make sense? All right, cool. Now guys, ganito pang mas malupit. I am giving the members the opportunity to help other people as well. Let's say, for example, you invested 2.5, right? That's one entry, that's one code, access to our academy. But what if you invested 1 million? Okay, so is that only one entry to the academy? No, your 1 million, you just divide it into 2,500, that is equal to 400. So that is a 400 entry into our academy. my team will give you a code so that you will have access to this academy. Okay? So you will have 400 codes that you can have, and then you can give that to someone that you love, to someone that you care. Halimbawa, meron kang kapatid na pinapaaral mo, pwede mong ibigay yon para sila mag-aral while kumikita ka ng income. Does that make sense? So nakakatulong ka sa kapatid, mga mahal mo sa buhay, kakilala mo, kamag-anak mo, na makapag-aral. Kumikita ka na, nakakatulong ka pa. Namigay ka na ng isda, tumulong ka pa sa tao, papaano mangisda. Does that make sense? Because why not? That's how you become successful and stay successful if you are helping people become successful as well. Does that make sense so far, guys? Are you guys following it so far? All right, cool. Now, the plan B is this. Okay, plan B. There's plan B is a 30-day locked-in. That's 1 month. 1% daily profit, 30% total profit after lock-in subscription expires. If you choose 30-day, you'll have 30-day access inside Spartan Setters Academy portal as well. Okay? Yes, Brother Rich Bay, 15 days, wala pong raffle ticket. Nire-reserve po natin yan sa 1 year. Sa 1 year po, sa 1 year. Sa mga 1 year naka-lock-in. Okay? So, guys, ganito lang po ang paggamit sa sa ating app. Very simple. Pag-add ng funds, very simple lang din. Itong quick tutorial. Click nyo lang po yung add funds, choose payment, bank transfer, e-wallet, Binance, or cash pickup. Pwede mag-issue po ko ng receipt, pero preferably bank transfer, e-wallet, pili lang po kayo dyan. Very simple, super simple and easy to understand. Ngayon, kung gusto nyo pong maintindihan in a much more deeper details, punta po kayo sa aming YouTube channel. Ito po yung itsura ng aming YouTube channel, Baltoro Spartan Trading. Click yung playlist. Click mo po yung tutorials. Nandyan po lahat nakalagay yung video tutorials, papaano po i-navigate yung ating application. That's where you can find all the quick, easy to understand video tutorials on how you can navigate the app. Are you guys with me so far? Yes? Hello? Yes? All right, cool, perfect. Now, what is the end game? Kasi, unfortunately, may mga some people are, maybe on the trenches pa or on defenses, medyo nagda-doubt pa kasi kinakabahan sila, baka ganito, baka we're not gonna last long. So guys, ito po ang aking grand plan. The master plan. That's why we have a 5-year master plan, and itong master plan, hindi po to how-show. At hindi ito basta ko na lang sinabi na may master plan ako. You can definitely see it in the online space, verified, factual, with evidence, with track records and everything, feasible, doable, applicable, achievable, yung ating 5-year master plan, because we are gonna take the Philippines' #1 legitimate token. No hype, no drama, no false promises, just pure facts and data. Paano ko po ba yung patutunayan? Gusto niyo ba papakita ko sa inyo in real time na meron po tayong legit token na may value, na may market cap, na may liquidity, na may mga holders, na hindi po ako nagpapa-pre-sell. Okay? That's the very reason why I am trying to build the community and bring more attention, because in the world of crypto, just like Bitcoin, when it started as 15,000 pesos per Bitcoin year 2015 to now a staggering 6.4 give or take million peso per Bitcoin. And the reason why it grew so big is because it has so much attention. It has a community. Because at this day and age, if you have attention, you will have the ability to make money. Attention is a money-making machine tool. Does that make sense? Nasusundan po ba ako so far? So guys, don't believe what I just say. I will just show you instead. Okay? Let me just pan here. Okay, let's click Facebook. Ayan guys. Okay, unahin ko lang. Susundan po ba ako guys? Right? Hello? Makabili na. You guys with me so far? Yes? Alright, cool. Guys, tingnan nyo ha. First of all, ito na lang. I'm not here trying. This is the reason why I don't feel the need to defend myself to every people who listens, who watch me, who observes what I do. Instead, I just show them proof. Kasi to see is to believe, right? Evidence speaks volume versus hearsays, right? So, tingnan nyo guys. Eto, dito na lang muna tayo sa Forbes.com. Refresh natin, refresh. Baka kasi ayaw, Sa Forbes.com, you will see our token being acknowledged by a prominent, website, Forbes.com. Okay? And then, if you go to our Facebook page, Baltoro, our token is already existing in what we call the big three. Right? There you go. Pwede nyo pong makita to sa aming Facebook page. Ayan. Sa big three, which is yung Gate.io, makikita nyo na po si Baltoro. Sa OKX, makakabili na rin po kayo ng Baltoro token dyan. And then, ang number one dito sa Pilipinas, which is yung Binance. Makikita nyo na po yung ating token sa Binance na may market cap po dati 3.9. Ngayon po ay 4 million plus na po yan. You can check that in real time. Nasa CoinGecko na rin po tayo. Nasa Gecko Terminal. Nasa MetaMask. Sa Trust Wallet, pwede nyo na pong makita yan. Gamitin nyo po yung, address, convert sa Solana, and everything. Pero guys, ito po ay hindi ko sinasabi sa tao na bumili. Nilagay ko lang po talaga ito in preparation for my long-term plan. Meron din po tayong white paper. Okay? May white paper po tayo at mababasa nyo po yan doon sa ating website na valtoro.pro. Nandun po yung white paper, downloadable po yan. Pag-click nyo po yan dito, Valtoro. Wait. Valtoro.pro. Ayan po yung white paper natin. Pag-click nyo po yan, ayan. Mabaview nyo po yan. Download nyo po at mag-review nyo po yung ating white paper, which is an amazing journey sa Q1, Q4, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. Ang ginagawa ng iba, nagpa-promise na tataas yung value sa Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. Pero sa atin, mataas na po ang value and keep on nag-grow yung value kahit wala po tayong pre-selling. I did not had any pre-selling. By the way guys, itong Valtoro Sniper natin, it's like a mevbot pero instead ang atakin ay mga traders sa trading market via gas fee and slippage, ang inatake po nito ay mga bagong created na token which takes 2 to 5% profit from its liquidity. Kaya for example ito, pag chinek nyo po yan, ayan o. So ito naman po ay another basket ko. Kaya para malaman ng tao na hindi po tayo house-show, hindi tayo fly-by-night companies, we have a long-term plan at talagang nakikita at visible po sa tao. Ayan po yan, oh. Ayan, yan yung snipers natin. Sa atin po yan, ha, baka sabihin nyo, hindi atin yan, yung logo natin, oh. Valtoro. Ayan, oh. Ayan yung logo natin. Okay? And eventually, guys, tawag doon, eventually, lalabas na rin po ang ating token. Lalabas na rin po ang ating token sa coins.ph. So I have an upcoming interview next week. Hopefully, everything will go well. Para po lalabas na rin po ang ating token sa coins.ph at para mas lalong mapadali ang transaction kasi si coins.ph, lumalabas po yan sa GCash, Paymaya, and everything. At ito pa ang napakalupit, pinakamalupit pa, ang ating Valtoro token, meron na pong mga merchants at ilalabas ko at i-reveal ko ang mga merchants natin after the grand launching Stay tuned for that. At yung merchants natin, hindi lang basta kung sinong mga merchants, kundi yung mga primary necessities, bigas, grocery, gasolina, lahat ng mga primary necessities ng tao na kinukonsume ng tao araw-araw, yun po yung mga merchants natin at tumatanggap po sila ng Valtoro token. Okay? Right? So guys, nagigets po ba so far yung ating long-term plan? Kaya yan po yung ating 3 to 5 years long-term plan. Ang pinakita ko pa lang po sa tao at binigyan ko ng access, which is yung Mevbot. Kasi gusto ko po na lumaki ang ating community, makatulong tayo sa maraming tao, matulungan natin sila magkaroon ng trabaho. Guys, isipin nyo lang yung 2.5 enrollment fee ninyo sa academy. Kaso lang ang ginawa ko sa 2.5 mo, isinuli ko pa sa iyo, nilagay ko sa Valtoro para habang tinuturuan kita ng sales, ng freelancing, ng job, kumikita pa yung investment mo. Kasi unfortunately dito sa ating bansa, maraming underemployed. Ang mahal ng tuition fee, pagkatapos mong gumraduate, wala pang trabaho nag-aantay sa iyo. Kahit ang galing-galing mo. As a matter of fact, may nag-a-apply sa akin dito sa Bacolod. Brilliant student, graduate, summa cum laude sa computer engineering. Summa cum laude, kaso lang walang trabaho. Sabi ko, okay, give me a few weeks. I'll arrange something for you because I know so many international clients who are looking for brilliant-minded people pagdating sa technology. They will pay you top dollars. Hindi po ako magsasahod sa kanya kundi mga international clients ko kasi alam na alam nila ang mga brilliant-minded sa pagdating sa technology. Ang mahal ng bayad sa mga IT specialist, computer tech specialist sa panahon ngayon kasi everything is AI. Chatbot, technology, and everything. So, ganon po yung ginagawa natin. And in the long run, kapag dumami tayo at lumaki po ang ating community, alam natin na parang si Bitcoin, nung lumaki ang community, lumaki din po ang value ng ating token. So, that's pretty much it, guys. So, I'm now gonna entertain questions. Let me just, what do you call this? Stop sharing. Okay. So guys, do you have any questions whatsoever? Let me know. Ayan, please raise your hand. Yung sa Zoom, mag-raise kayo ng hand and then I'll call your name. You can ask whatever questions that you may have, whatnot. So yeah. Paano po makabay ng token? Meron po tayong tutorial sa ating community. Doon ko po pinaliwanag paano po makapag-buy ng token. Kung gusto niyo na po mag-buy ng token. Pero kung sa akin lang, gusto ko sana after grand launching para maipakilala ko na muna yung mga merchants. Yung mga merchants ba? Ang tao excited eh. Gusto na agad makabili. So, pipigilan ko ba naman yung tao kung gusto nilang bumili? Hindi, syempre, hindi ko pipigilan. Alright? So guys, kumbaga makikita nyo, na hindi ako puro drawing. Hindi ako puro pangako. Ginagawa ko na lang bago ko sasabihin. Kumbaga, instead of me saying, I'll just start doing and then I'll let people see what am I doing because action speaks louder than words. Ayan. Okay, ito si Brother Jemark. Jemark, how's it going, man? Ito, estudyante ko to eh. Brother Jemark, how you doing, bro? What's up?
Great. Doing great here.
All right, brother. So, questions, bro.
Anyways, Coach, good to see you again live and good to talk to you again.
All right.
But my question is, I mean,
sure.
I'm just so proud of this community and how this.
Sabi ko nga bro, di ba? Bro, just wait for the revamp, man. I'm cooking something big. Sabi ko ba, just wait for me, guys. I did not leave you guys hanging. I'm cooking something big. I was busy for the past couple of months. I've been observing in so many companies. Nag-spy pa nga ako sa ibang mga companies just to kind of like see how they're doing, yung mga loopholes nila. Kaya ganon. But yeah, man. So here it is now. Like I told you guys, di ba? I never leave you guys hanging.
Kaya. Coach, tanong ko lang, Tagalog ko lang. Paano yung mga
Coach?
tinatawag natin
Hello. Tinawag na. Ano, anak mo?
Opo.
All right.
Ayan, Kamador. Di ba?
Kamador?
Oh,
Mga kamador, hindi yan sila obra. Okay, we have a system in place na hindi obra yung mga kamador. I mean, they can literally try, pero pag pumunta ka sa settings, tapos go up, in the upper left corner, mayroong arrow doon na back. Pag click back, tapos click mo yung terms and condition, sa baba doon, sinasabi namin kapag kinamada mo yung system namin, may terms and condition doon na we have the right to block or suspend your account upon reviewing the suspicious activity they have conducted, and meron na pong nasampulan na mga ganon. Hindi po umubra.
Pwede natin i-report kumbaga yung mga ganun. Kasi di ba common yung mga ganun sa ganito, yung mga may multi-level earnings, gagawa ng mga 10 account ba, tapos sa last account lang lalagyan nila.
Ano lang tayo, one account policy. Pero kung halimbawa, gagawin nila yon, pag ilalagay nila, halimbawa magfa-fund sila para sa anak nila, and then, gagamitin nila para makapag-aral sa academy. I mean, that's their choice. But I have the best IT in the system, specifically based in Dubai and Singapore. And tested and proven na sila . So, I mean, I don't hold the future. I don't know what's going to happen in the future. But if you were to ask me if I'm confident about the plan that we have, yes, 100%.
Yeah, good to know, Coach. Marami kasi talagang kamador sa mga ganitong klaseng.
You don't have to worry with that one because, like, we have a really good team behind. Right? So, any questions pa?
That's so much for me.
All right, brother Jamark, thank you for your question. Any else? Any questions pa? May nagtatanong, who are the other people behind Bartoro? What do you mean exactly with that question, Vinsky? Just to be on the exact same page. Feel free to unmute yourself, and you can just ask me directly. Ano ba maklik si Vinsky, search your name, Vinsky. All right, okay, I'm trying to unmute you. Yeah, feel free to unmute, Vinsky. What do you mean exactly by that? Other people behind, if you are asking for business partners, I have a lot of business partners, but 50% of the company I own, and one of the business partners that I have will be joining us on September 15. His name is Ray Pang. At nasa YouTube channel po natin siya. Main chat. Okay. May venue na po ba tayo, Coach Lawrence Dote? Yeah, meron na sa meron akong inaay na venue pero kino-confirm ko pa, but it's gonna be around Quezon City. I'll be announcing the venue soon, probably next week, so that malaman ng tao they can do their preparations and plans and everything ahead of time. How can I access? Okay, Brad, good question, Jebet. Please, message our support team sa Facebook page, and then send mo yung screenshot ng proof mo na funded na yung account mo sa Baltoro, and then we'll give you the code and the link for you to have access in our academy. Let's say, for example, ang pinasok mo pala ay 10,000, so that's gonna be 4 codes. 4 people na magkakaroon ng access doon sa academy. Okay? Is this just in the Philippines or Norway? Oh, hey, brother Per and Hansen, how's it going, man? It's gonna be, this is global, by the way, brother. It's worldwide. Because that's pretty much the goal, to allow Filipinos to have access globally. Because I was fortunate enough to have access to a global market wherein I got global mentors. Part of the reason why I was able to create this, wealth on my end, not because I'm a brilliant guy, matalino ko, no. It was just that I was surrounded by brilliant-minded people in the online space. So, Per Ann Hansen, this is applicable in Norway as well. I just opened the doors first in the Philippines. But yeah. Any more questions? By the way, coach, do have yes, you have Jamar. Just make sure that you have what do you call this? You join the community in Telegram because may video doon na kung saan doon ko sinishare paano mag-buy. Sa OKX pwede. If we do have from other countries, was this in the league? Yes, they have. Yes, yes, kasi yung ating training program is sa nas.io. As a matter of fact, I've taught people from Australia. I've mentored people sa iba't ibang bansa din via Zoom. So yeah. Pogi ni Coach. Sinisabit. Ano ako code of guard. Pogi ba? OKX ban sa Pinas. Ban ba? Kung ban sa Pinas, VPN lang. Accessible na agad dyan. Open ka lang ng VPN, may free VPN. O lagay mo sa US. O boom. You can access already OKX. Why is the interest is fixed and not compounded the earnings daily, right? Okay, that's okay. Brother Felix, that's a good question. The reason why we only give fixed interest kasi kapag ang company nagbibigay ng compounding interest, run away! Kasi that's probably a scam or a Ponzi scheme. Because, I mean, as far as I know, no company will offer a compounding interest and then it can sustain for the next 1 to 3 years. Because imagine, pag compounding lahat, tapos lahat pumasok, ay nako, it's not sustainable. So, even the banks themselves then don't offer compounding in a way na parang yung, alam mo yun, yung kagaya nung sa akin, it's just not really, literally sustainable right from the get-go. Okay? Fixed interest, para, hindi mag-overpay out. Okay? Cap for good business operates as normal. Same question, sorry. So, it means foreigner can join. Yes po, Raquel. Yes, Raquel, yeah, they can join. They can join. They can join. Pagka, kahit international, yes, they can join. Kasi may English doon at may Tagalog. Yes. Primarily English. Ginawa kong English yung portal. Wala na? 75 people in the room. Guys, raise your hand. I'll call your name. Ask question. Oh, good. Okay, si Boy Saya raised, Boy Saya asked to mute. Feel free to open your video, brother. If not, it's totally fine.
Okay, guys, good evening.
Hello, good evening, brother. Is your name Boy, brother Boy?
Yes, bro. It's from Cavite, Bacoor, Cavite.
Nice to meet you, man.
Yeah. Siguro po, share ko lang yung parang na-experience ko, yung pagiging flexible ng ating platform.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I don't know if alam na ng lahat that we can deposit USDT and withdraw in peso.
Yes.
And also we can, like, at the same time, we can also deposit in peso and we can withdraw in USDT.
Yes.
This is something that is very, I think it's very flexible. Kasi sa iba po kasi, kung USDT ang deposit mo, USDT rin ang withdrawal. So, magko-convert ka pa ng peso mo to USDT. Whereas in Baltoro, kung peso ang hawak mong pera, hindi mo na kailangan i-convert pa into USDT. Deposit mo na siya in peso.
Yes.
From your GCash, Paymaya, bank, online banking. So very flexible, guys. This I think, parang, I don't know, medyo matagal na rin ako sa ganitong negosyo. Pero ito lang yung company na merong ganitong sistema. Which talagang napahanga ako.
Yes. Thank you for the kind words, man. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you for the love. Kasi guys, ganun tayo eh. Hindi po ako sabi ko nga sa mga leaders, guys, we don't need to fight or argue with anyone. Hindi tayo nakikipag-debate kasi ayaw natin ng kaaway. Hindi tayo nakikipag-away. Ayaw natin ng argumento. Pag ayaw nilang maniwala, siguro nasaktan sila sa mga previous experiences nila. We don't force anyone. Naiintindihan natin yan sila. Instead of us trying to defend, that we are legit or what, we just show them what we have. And then, I believe and I'm confident enough for people, lalo na sa mga Filipinos, na they can assess and see the difference and know what's legit and what's not. Okay? Number 1, nasa SEC tayo. Number 2, smart contract po yung ating address, immutable and distributed. Number 3, we are globally acknowledged sa Forbes. Number 4, nasa Binance po yung token natin sa OKX and sa Gate. Nasa CoinGecko tayo, nasa Gecko Terminal. Pwede mo na nga rin ma-access sa Trust Wallet kasi meron akong isang member dito na sabi niya, Coach, meron na akong token sa Trust Wallet ko, dinaan ko sa Solana. Why not? Like, wow, okay, cool. And then eventually, later down the line next week, I have a scheduled meeting with Coins.ph. Wish and pray that everything will go well. Para sa Coins.ph naman, lalabas po si Valtoro token. And then after, after ng ating ground launching, ipapakilala ko po ang ating mga merchants na kung saan they accept Valtoro token at they are legally obligated na to accept Valtoro token kasi yun po yung naging kasunduan and everything. And talagang magiging masaya naman din sila na i-accept si Valtoro token kasi in real time makikita din nila yung value ng token natin in days time. Tumataas ang tumataas. As a matter of fact, pag ni-review nyo sa Binance, talagang tumataas po ang value ng ating token every freaking day, which is very, very much exciting thing to know. Wala po tayong withdrawal fee. Ang fee lang na ma-charge is kung ano yung transaction mo sa bank. Pero pagdating sa site po ni Valtoro, hindi po natin pinapakialaman yung kanilang withdrawals or in any way, shape, or form. Kung mayroon mang mababawas dyan, that's between the bank and yung bank na manggagaling sa akin, isi-send ko yung money mo or whatever. Ganun lang po. Pero sa site ng Valtoro, wala pong 5%, 10% or 15% transaction fee on our end. Hindi ko po kailangan yun. Ang kailangan ko po talaga sa tao ay yung kanilang trust and confidence. Mapalaki yung community kasi ang ating goal ay makilala, maging global. Para maging mangyari yon, kailangan natin mag-build yung community. At ayaw ko lang na basta investment lang. I want to over-deliver doon sa doon sa in-offer ko. My attitude is always over-deliver what I have promised in the first place. So sa 2.5 mo, you get all of these perks. It just so happened that sa halip na kunin ko yung 2,500 funds mo, ang ginawa ko, sinoli ko sa iyo, nilagay ko pa sa Valtoro para kumita yan para sa iyo habang tinuturuan kitang kumita online, magkaroon ng trabaho internationally. So you have a way to earn active income and at the same time passive income para nang sa ganon international clients will not take you for granted because you're desperate. You're not gonna live life in scarcity but you're now able to live life in abundance. Kaya nga ang ating motto ay redefining the system but through world-class education and opening the doors of unlimited opportunities for all Filipinos to uplift their lives. Ang crazy goal ko pa nga is, to help entrepreneurs and business people in the Philippines elevate the Filipinos' lives from third world country maging first world country tayo. It's a crazy dream, but hey, sabi pa nga ni Steve Jobs, those who are crazy enough to think that they can change the world are usually the one who do. Diba? 5 years ago, what I have achieved now is a crazy dream, but hey, I already achieved it, so why stop now? So, yan po guys. Salamat po ng marami sa inyong pakikinig sa ating programa. programa and looking forward to seeing you on the other side. Guys, gamitin nyo ang inyong code. Ipamigay nyo po sa inyong mga mahal sa buhay, sa inyong mga kapatid. Kung ikaw ay isang ama, ito na. Kung wala kang may paaral sa anak mo, ito na. Ito na yung pagkakataon. Guys, hindi po pichi-pichi yung academy natin. Ang dami naming itinuturo doon at palaki ng palaki po yung mga knowledge and learnings na makukuha mo sa academy. Pwede mo itong ma-share. May balot vendor ako na tinuruan. Marunong nang mag-English. Tingnan mo po sa aming Facebook page. Magsusupaw, balot vendor, umaakyat pa sa bubong alas 2 ng madaling araw para lang maka-attend sa aming meetings. Ngayon, kumikita na siya 100,000-200,000 if I'm not mistaken per month. Which is, need ba mag-aral sa academy? Pwede pwede pong mag-invest ka lang. Yes, pwede po yung ganon. Pero sayang naman yung code, ipamigay mo sa kakilala mo, sa kaibigan mo, o sa kanino man kasi mabibigyan ka eh. Kunin mo doon sa aming chat support sa Spartan Settlers Academy. Makukuha mo po doon, papakita mo lang yung deposit slip mo sa account mo na nag-succeed na yung transaction at yun, para mabigyan ka po ng code. So yeah. Tapos meron po tayong live trainings after po ng September 15 grand launching. Ako po ang isa sa mga magtuturo at may mga guest speakers din po tayo na makakasama taga ibang bansa na magjo-join kagaya po ng ginawa namin noon na magbibigay ng kaalaman at karunungan nila at para lalong makatulong. Kasi guys, ang pera, hindi ka naman papayamanin ng pera eh, kung tutusin. Would you guys agree? Money will not earn money just by itself. The reason why your money is making more money is because of your knowledge and your skills on how to place your money in the right platforms to make more money, to generate more money. So in reality, it's your knowledge and your skills and your influence and your network that will help you make more money, not the money itself. So guys, kaya kung inaakit ko kayo na kumita, possibly mas inaakit ko po kayo na kumita actively. You know, I'm so hungry to share you the knowledge that I have. Kasi this is the primary medium to elevate the lives of Filipinos having, you know, the mentality of a millionaire and a billionaire. Financial literacy and the discipline on how to handle money. So yeah. Anyways, guys, thank you, Raquel. I love this community and support your advocacy. Yes, guys. Meron tayong advocacy. Sabi pa ng iba, Coach, baka tatakbo ka na ng mayor o kaya congressman din. Sabi ko, ano ka dyan? Diba? Politics, dyan lang yan. Dito lang tayo. Negosyante tayo eh. Kumbaga, politics doon yun. So anyways, nakakatawa lang yun. No? Is there a risk na may ibang ahensya ng government ang gugulo sa Bortoro? Eh, hindi naman tayo mahilig manggulo. Tayo ay mahilig makipagkaibigan. As a matter of fact, may mga nagtatry na alam mo yun, manggulo. Pero ang ginagawa natin, sa halip na awayin natin, sinisikap natin na maging kaibigan kasi baka nasaktan lang yan sila noon. Alam natin kung ano yung pwede nating maipaglingkod sa kanila. Malay mo, di ba? Ganun lang naman eh. I prefer making more friends instead of making enemies. And as a matter of fact, I have a few friends na kaibigan natin sa government. Kaya nga tayo naka-register sa sa SEC, di ba? Kasi, di ba, nakita na legit tayo at binibigay natin lahat ng dokumento at meron naman tayong may legalities naman tayo. That goes to show na hindi tayo against the government. We are pro-government. Di ba? Kasi kung against the government tayo, dapat sana yung sinasabi na, hindi na kailangan yan, hindi na kailangan yung ganito. Hindi kailangan natin yan. Siyempre, di ba? So, ganyan po tayo. Ganyan natin na inaayos ang ating plataforma para lahat ng mga magre-represent sa Valtoro, sa Spartan Settlers Academy, wala pong dahilan para mahiya. Okay? Wala silang dahilan para mahiya, ikatakot. Sa halip ay mas maging confident sila at lalong lumakas ang kanilang pag-asa. Yes, thank you. Salamat din. Salamat po sa lahat. At I wish everyone a very awesome evening. Thank you again, guys, for your kind indulgence. And yeah, that pretty much wraps up our evening. And let's go.
In the business world, as an entrepreneur, if you can make money in a much quicker time, why not?
Minutes